Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to change the frame rate of your timeline. It's super simple and let's get right into it. First, you already have everything you want edited, or you don't have anything edited and you want to just create a new timeline with the correct frame rate. What we're going to do is go over to the media pool on the left side. To enter it, to access it, you just press media pool, and then in this open space we're going to right click timeline and create new timeline. Now we're going to unselect use project settings, go over to format, and then go to timeline frame rate, and we get all of these to choose from. I want to click on 30, and now I'm going to press create. Now it's created me a second timeline where now I can go back to my first timeline, timeline 1, select all my timeline, all the edits that I've made. I can copy it now and then go over to timeline 2, select it, and then paste. And so now I've created a new timeline and I've copy pasted what was in my first timeline. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.